Do you have to have low testosterone levels by blood work in order to get testosterone replacement therapy for low libido? Let's talk about this. So I'm Dr. Jen, double-boarded OBGYN in integrative medicine. So the simple answer is no. You can have completely normal testosterone levels by blood work and still be experiencing low libido, and you may benefit from testosterone replacement therapy. So low libido or hypoactive sexual desire disorder is really defined by lack of sexual arousal or desire that is causing interference with your relationships. And in premenopausal women, this is actually fairly common, 25%. And it actually dumps to 54% when you go through menopause. So in other words, it's twice as likely for a woman to experience low libido or hypoactive sexual desire disorder when they go through menopause. And that's because of these declining ovarian production of hormones. So we lose estrogen, we lose testosterone, we lose progesterone, and those hormones are really, really important for a part of libido. In fact, libido in women is pretty complicated, right? I mean, if you don't have estrogen, then it's hard to have desire. If you don't have progesterone and you're not sleeping, it's hard to have interest. If you don't have testosterone, which is also really, really important for both the brain and increasing libido, then you also will experience that. So it is fairly common for women as they lose ovarian hormones and all hormones, frankly, then to experience low libido. But you do not have to wait for your testosterone levels to be low in order to discuss getting on testosterone replacement therapy for libido. If you're experiencing low libido, and even if your testosterone levels are normal, please discuss with your doctor to see if testosterone replacement therapy is right for you.